Simon, have your allergies been acting up?
Huh? I mean, a little bit, but like not too much.
Really? Because I've been feeling... Achoo!
What the chill?
Simon, what's the problem?
Why are you sneezing so loud? Who sneezes like that?
You know you can just say bless you, right?
You think a blessing's gonna help you from that? You need to be baptized, dude.
Simon, everyone sneezes. It's just... Achoo!
You know how people have COVID-19?
Yes.
Well, you have COVID-38.
Simon, if you don't stop, I'm gonna... Achoo!
Why did your hair fall out like that? It's natural.
Simon, you better stop right now.
No, you need to stop. Here's a tissue box. I'll stay in your room and don't leave until you're done sneezing. Forever.